What is this plant? The flower is about 3 weeks old in the picture. The foliage is light and it has a fragrance. Okay. I would love more of these flowers. How do I encourage it? And this is from Ms. Donna, Holly Springs, Mississippi.
Okay.
So, what do we think that plant is?
Oh,
this wildflower.
I have had it volunteer in my garden as well. So it is seed propagated is one way.
Seed propagated.
And it is, some people don't like the smell of it. It's called camphor weed or stinkweed.
Yeah.
Stinkweed for those that don't
stinkweed.
like the smell of it. It's rather pungent, rather pungent. I particularly don't like it.
Right.
But if she likes it and wants to encourage it, you can take cuttings from the roots.
Okay.
You can do root, propagation. Or, if she just leaves it alone, she'll probably get some more from volunteering from the seed. Don't cut those seeds. Don't deadhead.
Don't deadhead. Oh,
Don't deadhead, yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a Pulchia odorata,
which
is a native, one of our native wildflowers.
Odorata. We know what
Odorata, yeah, what that means.
Odorata.
Either means stinky good or stinky bad.
Perennial?
No.
Not a perennial.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Uh-uh.
Okay. But she wants to encourage it. And there's one that smells like medicine. We talked about
Yeah,
that. It smells
like Vicks Vapor Rub,
right.
yeah, or Soltis, the old
Right.
Soltis, yeah. Right. Real camphory. That's the reason it's called camphor weed, I guess.
Yeah, camphor weed. So there you have it, Miss Donna. Yeah, and wildflower.
Yeah.
Somebody,
Yeah.
somebody wants some of these.
So if your
Yeah,
garden
and
smells
they're
like
pretty.
a drugstore, then that's
Yeah,
probably what you got.
and they got these pretty kind of mauve,
Yeah.
pinkish flowers. They are pretty,
beautiful flowers. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.